Hey guys, it's Alana Faith and welcome back to my channel. Today for Vlogmas Day 10, we're going to be trying Dairy Queen's Peppermint-Hot Cocoa Blizzard. We're just gonna go straight in and try it. And it's crunchy. Okay, wait, this is way crunchier than I expected. Okay, you guys, first, I noticed like the peppermint already has a layer on the top that is really good. But then there's these chocolate chip. I don't know if you can see it that good, but that's like another surprise onto the peppermint taste. And these flavors go really well together. Guys, this is a really good, I've already eaten the whole top half off already that quickly. Like, this is a really good blizzard. This is perfect for me. Like, I actually really like this. The crunch mixed in with the ice cream flavor. This is delicious, okay? Like, on a scale of 1 to 10, I literally rate this like a 9.8. Like, this is a solid blizzard. Okay guys, I'm about to eat this entire thing here. I really like it, and I'm glad I tried it. Listen, if you guys have any more peppermint or like mint chocolate flavored like teas or drinks or blizzards or anything, please recommend those to me in the comments. I would love to try them because this is delicious. Okay, I'll see you guys back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 11. Thank you for tuning in. You guys have a blessed day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.